If Steam Error 64 is stopping you from installing or updating a game, this usually points to a disk write error, and in many cases it happens when Steam fails to finalize a file move. The good news is that there are a few simple fixes you can try, and in this video I'll walk you through them step by step. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Steam troubleshooting guides. Alright, let's get into it. The first fix is to repair your Steam library folder. This is one of the most effective solutions because Steam Error 64 is often caused by a problem with the manifest files or with Steam not having proper read and write access to the drive. To do this, open Steam and go to Settings, then click Storage. Here you'll see the drive or drives where your games are installed. Select the drive that is giving you the error. Next, click the three dots next to the drive bar and choose Repair Folder. Steam will now scan the library folder and try to fix permission issues or broken file paths connected to that drive. Let the process finish completely, because this can resolve the error without needing any deeper changes. If you still see the problem after that, the next step is to verify the integrity of the game files. This is useful when only one specific game is affected. Go to your Steam library, right-click the game that is showing the error and select Properties. Then click Installed Files and choose Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will compare your local files with the official version on its servers and re-download anything that is missing, damaged, or stuck. If a file move failed earlier, this can often force Steam to repair it and continue normally. Another common cause is antivirus or firewall interference. Security software can sometimes block Steam from writing files correctly, and that may trigger Error 64. If you use Windows Defender or any third-party antivirus, open your protection history or quarantine list and check whether Steam Client 64.dll or any related Steam file was blocked. If you find it there, restore the file and add Steam as an exception if needed. Also check your firewall settings to make sure Steam is allowed through both private and public networks. This small step can make a big difference if Steam is being restricted in the background. Next, make sure Steam itself is fully updated. Sometimes a client bug can cause install or transfer issues, and updating the app can clear it up quickly. In the top left corner of Steam, click Steam, then select Check for Steam Client Updates. If an update is available, install it and restart Steam afterward. Even if there is no update, it is still a good idea to fully close Steam and reopen it, because a simple restart can refresh a stuck process that is causing the disk write error. If the error still won't go away, it's time to check Windows system files. Corrupted system files can interfere with Steam's ability to write data properly. To do this, open Command Prompt as an administrator, then type sfc/scannow and press Enter. Windows will scan your system files and automatically repair any problems it finds. This may take a few minutes, so let it complete before you try Steam again. Once it's done, restart your PC and test the download or update again. The final fix is to install or repair the Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable. Missing or damaged runtime files can sometimes cause Steam to fail when it tries to move or finalize files. Download the latest Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable directly from Microsoft and install it on your system. If you already have it installed, it may still be worth repairing or reinstalling it to make sure all the required DLLs are present. After that, reboot your computer and launch Steam one more time. At this point, one of these solutions should clear Steam Error 64 and get your game installs or updates working again. In most cases, repairing the library folder or verifying the game files is enough, but if not, the antivirus check and system file scan are the next best steps. If you want more Steam fixes, more PC troubleshooting tips, and more step-by-step tutorials like this, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.